Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to unbox this tablet. Its name is Ouzrs. I purchased this from Amazon site from UK, London. So it's delivered yesterday and today I'm going to unbox this. So you can see in the box nothing is mentioned. It's a 10.1 inch tablet. So let's start the unboxing. So this is the menu card. Then we have touch pen that is used for touching anything as a pointer. After that we are getting the cables, that is Type-C cable, and then ejector pin. We also got a wireless mouse. Okay, so apart from it we are also getting some stickers which are used for pasting on the keyboard. We also got a keyboard with this laptop, or we can say tablet. So this is the keyboard. You can simply connect this by using Bluetooth. Okay, so this is our Ouzrs 10.1 inch tablet. So it's auto attached with the cover, and I purchased this in grey color. So let's power on this, and before it I will show you what ports are available here. So we are getting power on button, then volume up and down keys, then we have Type-C connector for charging. We got two speakers, and also we have 3.5 audio jack, and then we have camera, mentioned as HD camera with flash. So let me power on this. We also getting a screen guard that is auto pasted in this tablet. So let me power on this. This company's name is Ouzrs, and I purchased this from Amazon.co.uk. It takes around 10 days to reach to my place, and its configuration is 6 GB RAM and then 128 GB storage. Great. So this is the tablet. It has options to add the or increase the storage, and we can also put the SIM in this device. Let me show you something about this tablet. So under settings you can see it has a battery storage right now 64%, and I think battery back is very good. It's showing us 64% and 1 day 9 hours 7 minutes left. And out of 6 GB 1.6 GB memory is used, but we are getting a little bit disappointed because its Android version is 10 and we will not get any updates for this, and its model number is Ouzrs A3. Touch screen seems quite good. So friends, thanks for watching my video.